Welcome to KM Autos, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels that excites, inspires, and dominates the road. Today, we're going deep into the soul of Italian engineering, the 2026 Ferrari SF90. It's faster, sharper, smarter, and more electrifying than ever before. The Ferrari SF90 has always stood as a symbol of evolution. When it first dropped jaws in 2020, it wasn't just another Ferrari. It was Ferrari's first plug-in hybrid, fusing tradition with innovation. Fast forward to 2026, and the new SF90 is back to reclaim its throne, refined with years of Formula One wisdom, aerodynamic wizardry, and hybrid muscle that feels straight from the future. Visually, the 2026 SF90 doesn't just whisper power, it screams it. The redesigned front end is lower, wider, and more aggressive. Sleek laser headlights pierce the night with futuristic precision, while the signature Ferrari badge on the sculpted hood reminds you this isn't just performance, it's heritage. Every crease, every curve, is functional, slicing through the air with wind tunnel-tested aerodynamics. From the side profile, the SF90 looks like a missile carved from carbon fiber. Flush door handles, sharp air intakes, and massive forged wheels give it that Predator on the hunt vibe. Around back, the quad tailpipes have been repositioned to complement a full-width LED light bar, and a dynamic rear wing adapts to your driving, lifting when you need downforce, disappearing when you need top speed. But the beauty of the SF90 isn't just skin deep. Under the hood is where the magic brews. The 2026 Ferrari SF90 is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors. Together, they produce a mind-blowing 1100 horsepower. 0 to 60, just 2.3 seconds. Top speed, over 340 kilometers per hour. That's not just fast. That's jet on tarmac fast. The hybrid system isn't just there for efficiency. It enhances torque, boosts acceleration, and allows for instant throttle response. You can even drive it in pure electric mode for short distances, perfect for those rare moments when you want silence instead of symphonies. But let's be honest, with an exhaust note like this, silence is overrated. Inside, the SF90 is a blend of cockpit precision and Italian luxury. The digital dashboard wraps around the driver, placing every control at your fingertips. A new central display is more intuitive, faster, and more customizable than ever. The flat-bottom steering wheel, inspired by Ferrari's F1 racers, features haptic controls and LED shift indicators, keeping your hands in command and your eyes on the road. The materials are top-tier. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and hand-stitched leather flood the cabin. The seats hug you like a tailored suit, offering perfect support whether you're attacking corners or cruising the coast. Even the passenger has their own display, because every second inside the SF90 should feel like a front-row seat to a masterpiece. Let's talk about handling. The 2026 SF90 comes with Ferrari's updated ESSC system, that's electronic side slip control for the uninitiated. It calculates grip, balance, and dynamics in real time, giving you the kind of confidence usually reserved for track champions. Whether you're on tight mountain roads or unleashing fury on a straightaway, this car is planted, poised, and precise. Then there's the magic of torque vectoring. The electric motors can independently deliver power to each front wheel, pulling the car through corners like it's riding on rails. Combine that with rear wheel steering and you've got a vehicle that turns like a ballerina and accelerates like a bullet. Ferrari's engineers didn't just make this car fast. They made it intelligent. The new brain behind the SF90 controls power delivery, suspension stiffness, aerodynamic response, and traction in milliseconds. Modes like eDrive, Hybrid, Performance, and Qualify let you tune the car from silent stealth to full-throttle savagery with a twist of a knob. Safety, while not the first word you think of with Ferrari, is top-notch. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and parking sensors are all seamlessly integrated. Not that you'll ever want to stop driving it long enough to park. What's more impressive is the eco-conscious engineering. Ferrari has worked tirelessly to make the SF90 not just faster, but cleaner. Emissions have been reduced by more than 30% from the previous generation. The lightweight hybrid battery is more compact and efficient, and regenerative braking captures energy as you slow down, turning every deceleration into forward progress. So how does it feel behind the wheel? One word, electrifying. The steering is razor sharp, the power delivery is immediate, and the soundtrack is pure Italian opera. The SF90 rewards the skilled, excites the brave, and transforms the road into your personal racetrack. This is not just a car, this is an extension of your adrenaline. The 2026 Ferrari SF90 is expected to arrive in limited numbers, making it a true collector's dream. With a price tag that soars well above $500,000, it's not for everyone, but then again, legends never are. To sum it up, the 2026 SF90 isn't just about horsepower or speed. It's about pushing limits, about taking the soul of racing and sculpting it into a road-legal sculpture. It's about the emotion, the drama, the moment you hit the throttle and everything else disappears. This is Ferrari's boldest creation yet, an evolution of speed, art, and emotion. The 2026 SF90 is here, and the future of supercars just got a lot more exciting. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari SF90, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with your favorite Ferrari of all time, and subscribe to KM Autos for more incredible machines, reviews, and dream rides. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your dreams in drive.